We talk about resources a lot on this channel. If you want to leverage a very good resource for a very cheap cost, I'm talking about under $60, under $30 for a presentation, you could leverage Fiverr. What's going on, Acez Academy? It's your boy Ace with you here today, and I want to share a great best practice with you. When I was looking for editors and people to help me with graphic design and flyers and building my business, it was really tough to find that here in the States. Tough to find good work, tough to find quality work, and if there was work, it was just way too expensive. So I heard about Fiverr, which is an amazing app where you could find, third-party contractors from other countries that would actually do the work for you, pay them through the website. They got background checks, reviews, so it's completely safe. And I met somebody named Jaydip, and this was about probably 3-4 years ago. And 3-4 years later, I'm still working with this guy. So not only did I use Fiverr to find somebody, but me and him built a relationship, and now he's actually a partner with me. And now we got Vipin as well, who's works with Jaydip, who he introduced to me, who's also working with me. So these guys are all part of my team now, and that whole relationship started with Fiverr. So much more has happened in this interaction. It's been wonderful. We got him here on Zoom. Welcome Jaydip and Vipin to the video here. Jaydip, why don't you tell them about the experience? Because not only did he help me, but I also taught him. His English is fluent now and better. His editing is better. Even Vipin, I've developed them through this relationship, and it's turned into so much more. So I'm gonna get back to Fiverr and show you how it works and share the screen. But real quickly, I just want Jaydip to talk about the experience to everyone listening.
Hi, my name is Jaydip and I am from India. So just I have started editing, and Acez is one of the first client. At that time I know little bit editing, I know little bit English, but we are working together, we are growing together. It's win-win. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, brother. And if you guys need some editing help from these two pros, reach out to Jaydip, Sakaya, and Vipin. You could hit me up and I'll give you their information as well. But these guys are definitely part of my team now, and they're professional. So we took a simple interaction, we turned it into a lot more, which is important in life. But let's get back to the hack and why I'm doing this video, which, by the way, we're not even on Fiverr anymore. But, I figured let the audience see. So, this is an example of somebody that's making me PDF files typable in there. I don't really have time to do that. So this is really to save a lot of time, because time is limited these days. It's the most valuable currency we have. How do you save it, right? I have Shajib here on Fiverr, who edited my sales planner. I have WeFormat. This is a very good guy. Edited my book and put it into the Amazon queue for me. I have this guy, Graphic Giant. I think this guy hacked me. This guy you got to watch out for. And this guy hacked my account. I gave him access to my WordPress. And after that, I was hacked on my American Express, thousands and thousands of dollars. I hope he's not on here no more, Fiverr. I hope you got this guy back. So don't ever give anybody access to your account if you don't trust them. I learned my mistake on that one. But as you can see, I've been using it for a lot of things. So the way it works, you make an account there. You type in what service you're looking for. Let's say I'm looking for business cards. I type in business cards, and boom, all the services come up for business cards. And you could also filter them. You want pro service. You want to sort by country. You could sort that by. You want to sort by the seller's details, how long they've been in business, their reviews. All of that works. Let's say you're at school and you need help putting together a presentation, right? Presentation, you type it in and boom, everybody comes up for presentation. So look, we talk about resources a lot on this channel. If you want to leverage a very good resource for a very cheap cost, I'm talking about under $60, under $30 for a presentation, you could leverage Fiverr. Again, it's not about your resources, it's about your resourcefulness. And if you can't even afford Fiverr, then guess what? You could do it on your own like I did for years. But this is a great hack for you guys. Check out Fiverr, use it. If you're lucky to find somebody like Jaydip and Vipin here, you see potential in somebody and you bring them as part of your team. One day I'm gonna make it to India and we're gonna do a vlog and I'm gonna come out there and document it, and that's gonna be a great trip. I plan on it, honestly, by next year. Or I'm gonna get these guys into the States, kind of like, Eddie Murphy coming to America. We're gonna bring these guys to America here to the States, and we're gonna connect. But it's turned into a great team. So that's another pro tip for you, as if you see potential in somebody, leverage a relationship, flourish it, grow it, and turn it into something special. So check out Fiverr, like, subscribe, share the channel if you haven't already. We're gonna be bringing you guys a lot of pro tips, business reviews, hacks, sales training, leadership training, mindset training, life coach training. This is the channel you want to be on. Catch you next time.